Did you know there's a secret formula behind the world's richest investors? They don't just invest in good companies, they invest in monopolies. Here's why it's the ultimate cheat code to wealth, and how you can use it too. I've spent years studying the strategies of legendary investors like Warren Buffett, Peter Thiel, and Jeff Bezos. What I found is a golden thread. They all chase companies that dominate their industries, because monopolies don't just survive, they thrive. Think about the companies that control your daily life. Google for search, Amazon for shopping, and Apple for your gadgets. They've locked out competition, and that's why they're untouchable. But here's the kicker. Monopolies aren't just big businesses. They're companies that create such unique value that nobody else can compete. Yet, most people miss the signs of a monopoly in the making. But why should you care about monopolies? Because monopolies don't compete on price. They dominate with profit margins that other businesses can only dream of. Therefore, if you invest in these early, you're not just buying a stock, you're buying a piece of their inevitable growth. Think about it. If you had invested in Amazon when it was just a bookseller, or Tesla before it became synonymous with electric cars, where would you be today? The key isn't just finding a good company, it's finding one that can lock out everyone else. Imagine owning a piece of the next Google or the next Microsoft, companies that don't just grow, but redefine the rules of their industries. This isn't just investing, it's creating generational wealth. So, how do you spot a monopoly in the making? Look for companies with unique products that can't be easily copied, massive control over their supply chain or distribution, an ever-growing ecosystem that locks customers in. The easiest way to start is to research industries with high barriers to entry, like tech, pharmaceuticals, or energy. Focus on companies that already dominate niche markets, because today's niche is tomorrow's empire. Remember, wealth doesn't come from following the crowd. It comes from investing in monopolies, companies that rewrite the rules of the game. The question is, are you ready to find your next monopoly and invest before the world catches on? If you're ready to start spotting monopolies, hit subscribe and comment below with your thoughts. Let's build wealth smarter, not harder.